Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, your girl's back with another video, and today I'm just going to be showing you how I bleached the knots of this lace, and how I technically I just decided to bleach the whole hair because, you know, brown suits me, you get me. So I bleached this hair brown because, you know, brown and brown, you get it? Yeah. So this is what I've done to this hair. I'm gonna fast forward everything because you're gonna see how I bleached the hair, how I bleached the lace, and to make it look like this Leng Chang. You feel me? But yeah, that's what I wanted to say, guys. But stay tuned to the rest of this video, and I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, so guys, this is the wig that was already sent to me as a wig. This is the lace, already pre-plucked. But here I'm just going to bleach the lace to get it to my colour. I'm gonna leave the bleach on there for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna fast forward everything and show you what I do. So guys, that's the lace bleach. I'm going to leave it there for about 15 minutes and then come back. So guys, it's almost about 15 minutes. I'm about to wash it out in about a couple of seconds, about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like after it's been washed. So guys, I've decided to just bleach the whole wig and hair because I like brown on me and I just feel like it'll look nice. So I'm going to bleach the whole wig and whole hair so and I'm going to show you how I do that. Guys, the hair that I'm wearing on my head is by Cynosure hair. This is the bag that my hair came in. It came with some lashes as well. I haven't worn them yet, but I thank them so much, guys. This hair is really good. I'm not gonna lie to you. The hair sheds, but it's not like a lot of shedding. You get hair is thick. It's not like certain hair that you get is a bit light. This hair is very thick and very enough. So as you can see, that it's on my head right now, and I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, guys. Once again, it's from Cynosure hair. I'm gonna put the name of this hair there as well. I got this in 24 inches already sent to me as a wig, and like I said before, it doesn't really shed like that, but it sheds. All hair sheds, but yeah, as you can see, let me just show you real quick. It sheds, but it's like, look, a piece of shed. Why? Pretty pun and the side. What we tell them? Leng Chang in the building. You know I say I want you, girl. If you're 90, turn around like if you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl's back with another video, and today. Wait, hold on, guys. First of all, for those who are new to my channel, My name's San Fabulous, you know, get to know. Today, guys, I'm going to be doing another story time, and this is a story time where I think I already put up on my channel, but I deleted it because I wanted to start over again and start fresh. So this is a story time where, you know, I got into a fight with this girl over an indirect. Yeah. Basically, yeah, I got into a fight with this girl over an indirect, you know. I was in year... What year was I in? I think I was in year 9. Year 9 or year 8? I think year 8. But one of them, yeah. I got into a fight with this girl. Let's call her... We're going to call her... We're just going to call her Bread. We're going to call her Bread. Okay, I don't know what to, yeah. We're going to call this girl Bread. So basically, you know, this is a girl that always loves to just, like, put on social media indirects about a lot of people. She's not like that no more, but that's what she used to do. She used to always indirect people on her Snap. And then, you know, one night, I recall, I was going through Snaps and I saw the Snap, but I didn't think nothing of it. Do you get it? So when I saw the Snap, I didn't think nothing of it. But when I see more than one person sending it to me, it's just like...
No, who's she talking about? Like, who's she talking about?
So people are popping up to me now. People are telling me, you know, she's talking about you, right? I was like, no. Another person popped to me, you know, she's talking, okay. I popped up to her now and I was like, okay, so are you indirecting me now? Just be honest with yourself. Just tell me if you are or not. She lied. She said she wasn't. Cool. I was like, listen, I know you're talking about me now. You might as well just tell me. Do you get it? You might as well just tell me. Like, I'm not going to do anything. Just like, there was no need to it. It's a woman-to-woman thing, you know? I'm coming to you as the mature person that, you know, I was for a bit until she just started doing it again. Because she lied to me at once and she said it wasn't. I said, cool, I left it. She did it again. It's like, okay, I already came to you once and I already told you that I already spoke to you about it once and you lied and now you did it again. What? It's like I just said it to her through one ear and it just came out the other one like, alright, I don't care. Okay, so you put yourself in this position now. Now, you know, she's done it again. I can't remember what she said, but she said something I didn't like and now it's like I'm face to face to her now and I'm just like, did you indirect me or did you not indirect me? No. It was some girl. Okay. Cool. So this same day, you know, I was like, you know, I had enough of this. Like, you're talking too much, right? And you're lying too, and you still have the guts to say more. So after school, you know, I had nails on, and I don't care if a girl's getting me mad whatsoever. The nails that I had on, I bit them all off and dashed them to one side. Like, after school, I came out of school, I went to the gym. There's a gym that's with my school in it. I went to the gym and I changed into some clothes, into some trainers and everything, and bit off my nails, my tired, you know, ready to go, you know what I'm saying, ready to throw them hands, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I bit off my nails and I was like, you know, I don't care, I've had enough. Like, that this girl's got what coming to her. Like, this girl, she's doing my head in and she's just not listening. So you know what, cool, when you're done listening, you must feel it. So I got to her now and I was talking to her. I was like, what?
You indirecting me now. You indirecting me.
Bear in mind, you know how school is, and when bare kids come out because they hear it's beef, and you see everyone running to the crowd. Yeah, them enough people were there surrounding and all that. And I was talking to her, I was asking her, she was there denying it, she was there just like,
no, I didn't say that still. I never said that.
Cool. Alright, so after that now, okay, I don't have time for her lies. I had a drink in my hand, I had a Fanta in my hand, and I'm sipping it, listening to her talk, her rubbish, telling me her lies, and I just went, oops. And she was like, what? Are you dumb, bro? That's what she was doing. Like, she was like, are you done, bruv? And then she tried to grab my neck, and when she tried to grab my neck, I don't think you know, like, the dragon has unleashed, you get it? She went to go put her hands on my neck, this area here. Hey, she did that now. I swear down, guys, I don't think you understand when she did that. Yay! Hey, I lost it, bruv, and I tell you, she grabbed my neck, and I was like, "What are you stupid?" I went, "Bah, bah, bah, bah." I don't think you understand, guys. I was like, "Bah, bah," but I started slapping her, slapping her. Bear in mind, while I'm trying to go and just grab her and just come here. Yeah, when I'm trying to do that, I don't know what happened, but I'm seeing bare cars stopping, like they're beeping their horns and shouting, "They get off!" Like, hey, the people come out of their car and grab me. They put their hands on me and holding me, and I'm just like, what are you doing? Why don't you grab her? When I tell you, I was vexed, I was angry. It's like I couldn't get to finish to give her the piece of beatings that she deserved. You get it? And people are just grabbing me and holding me. I'm like, let me go, bruv, let me go. Like, she deserved it. It's not like I'm slapping her up for no reason. Do you get it? So she's bawling her eyes off. Her glasses fell off. They broke. You know. She's at the bus stop now. She's bawling. Yeah. She's doing that at the bus stop now, and I'm just walking past like, you're lucky. Because I was never done. Yeah. The girl didn't need to lie about it, because, you know, we could have just, you could have said, sorry, cool, you know. That's like the one thing I don't like about social media. Black girls nowadays like to go on Snapchat, go on Instagram, and put up a few comments about other black girls. There's no need for it. There's really no need for it. Like, it's a waste of your time. You have time to take a snap, press pause, and then go in the type box and type what you want to say about the girl. Then make sure you're editing it to make sure it looks good, and so when people see it, it's like, oh, who's she talking about? Oh, they have time to do all of that, and then press post to wait for all the, oh, who are you talking about? Who all of those people talk up and ask them questions? They're not. Them like do that. I don't understand why girls have to do that. It needs to stop, because it's really disgusting. Like, and now I know people are gonna try and do it about me because I mentioned it, but you know what? I don't care, because why? You see what I'm trying to do in life? Yeah, and what are you doing? Yeah. Hold on, guys. Let me just. Her glasses that supposedly dropped when she got slapped or punched or whatever, it dropped. The next day, I walk into school, and you know, I get pulled straight into the office. I get pulled straight into the office, and they just question me like, so you had a fight with a girl that's younger than you. Come on,
Satara, that's not right. Come on, Satara, like, you should be ashamed of yourself. Like, what are you doing? Now you're gonna have to pay £15.
What? Pay what? Sorry, so what did you say? Pay what? Pay how? What? For her glasses that broke. Me, pay 15, but what? First of all, pause. I'm not paying for nothing. Do you know why? Because you knew we were going to fight. So the same way how you see girls take out their earrings when they're ready to fight, and their rings and all of that, you should have took off your glasses, and they wouldn't have broke, baby girl. They wouldn't have broke. They would be in the same order how it was before. You feels me? So I said, I'm not paying for nothing, because she had it on when she was fighting, so therefore she can go pay for it herself. My dad, they let my dad know I'm going home, and I think I was with my best friend. And I'm going home. We're going home to my house. We're walking up my road. I don't know what happened, but I see a car, a grey car, just zoom up to me like something. I'm thinking, who's this, bruv? Who's this? It's her and her dad. I'm not gonna lie, her dad was cussing me out, you know? Yeah. Her dad was classing me, yeah. He was doing that, and I was just thinking, who is this guy, bruv? Like, is she serious? Because, you know, if you want to bring dads involved, it's not an issue. So I'm just thinking, okay. Because the only thing you can do in that moment is just laugh, like, this girl's been crazy, but like, okay, she wants to start now. she got her dad to come up and cuss me. If you're gonna pay for my daughter glasses, you go what? What? You're gonna do what? Chill. I'm saying, make sure you pay for my daughter's and then just drove off. That's what I'm saying. I'm gone. I said, okay. Okay, you want to go ahead? You want to do that one now? Cool. So I'm home now. My dad's come back now. He's asking me, what's this fight? Honestly, I thought I was gonna get in trouble because the dad that I have, the Jamaican dad that I have, I wouldn't be alive right now. Do you get it? He broke up my ass and I two pieces like cut, and suck. Yeah. I thought I was gonna get into trouble, but you know, it's like that. He was just like, it's good that you can defend yourself, but I don't want to see you fighting bare girls, like that type of thing. And then he was talking to me about the glasses, and I'm just like, I'm not paying for nothing, you know. Him saying, you're not paying. All he asked me was, did she have it on when she was fighting? All right, then cool. That means she don't. That means she had to pay for it because she knows that she should have took it off. She should have took them glasses off. Yeah. And then yeah, after that was it. We now move. That was the end of that. And then now to this day, now we're friends. that's my guy. It's my girl. You know, I don't understand. It's a bit mad, but yeah. Guys, that's the end of this story time. I hope you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Comment down below if you want me to do more story times. But yeah, bye guys.